I'm back again. What's going on, everybody? The goal of today is to show you what I got at the auction not long ago. Look at this. Let's turn the camera around right now. This right here is a 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado. Now, what I do like about this one is that it's actually a diesel 6.2 liter diesel engine. Check it out. Let's give it a walk around. I think it's a long bed. I don't mind though. Long bed, don't care, you know. Now, I originally purchased this for a project. I have a vision in my mind of how I want to leave this. Hopefully, it comes out the way I'm planning it comes out. So check it out. Old school. However, I noticed, let's see. I mean, it's not perfect. It's 1986. It's got issues here and there. Some rust here and there. And, fuck. Every fucking thing. All right, let's see. That's the interior. It's not bad. I just need a couple things. I mean, and the parts in these trucks, they're every fucking where. So, I'm not really complaining. But for a 1986, it's all there. Silverado. I gotta slam it extra hard for it to close. If you drive a Silverado, you're a real man. I don't know if y'all watched Amir King in the past. That is hilarious. Drive a Chevy Silverado. All right. Check out how torn this is. I'll just get a little upholstery done, replace the carpet, and then she's pretty much ready to go. Shit. Old truck. It's diesel. Let's crank it up, right? It's only got 73,000 miles. Starts right up. Let's see if the windows work. Oh, it works. I guess that one just needs a little help. Everyone needs a little help every once in a while, you know. Alright, so reverse neutral drive. Let's go for a spin in the truck. There you go. Old school. Look at the windows. 1986. Well, guys, I just wanted to show you. I've actually always wanted a square body style, so I saw it and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get that one. And I just told my boy, dude, just get it. Fuck it. Whatever it costs, whatever it brings, just bring it. Bring it home with daddy today. And that's what happened. She's with us now. So let's turn around right here real quick. Headliner's a little saggy and droopy, but needs a little some interior work. You can definitely feel the times have changed when you drive this thing. You're like, damn, people used to get around like that? In the 80s, this was the shit, man. 1986, this is the truck of the year. You're stunning back then, you know? Damn, stunning. Stunning. Check it out. Old school ride. I always liked these though. Square bodies, and everything, the way everything was made back then. It's older than me. Shit, older than me. Well, we're almost back at the lot. So this is the video I wanted to show you. Just a quick presentation or a quick inventory display or demonstration. Check us out on YouTube, check us out on Facebook. Give us a like, subscribe, follow, whatever. Thank you for watching.